It's been about another 20 minutes, and as you can see, tap water and salt water, there's a little bit of rust forming in the salt water. You can see by there's a little bit of a color change, but just barely. Tap water, not much going on. Now over here, zoom out a little so you can see it better. This was the salt plus the extra oxygen special water. And now everything is just kind of bubbling around, and it's pretty much just rust bubbling around. In the one that had the oxygen added water, the salt, and the concentrated acid, look at that. Nothing but a yellow liquid. A couple little particulates floating around. And because there is still a lot of reactions going on, you can see those particles are moving by themselves up and down the column. Here you got the concentrated hydrochloric acid plus the steel wool. Got a little bit of a bubbling action going on, but really not much else. But in the tube that we put that aluminum foil in, it's gone. Bye-bye. But now, here's where it's getting interesting. If you can see down here, the penny, which was put into the hydrochloric acid and had a little bit of scrapes on it, the copper is not reacting because it doesn't do that to hydrochloric acid. But what is reacting is the zinc that's inside of the penny that was exposed when we cut it. And it is just bubbling away, and in a couple minutes I'll pull it out and I'll show you that the zinc is gone and all that's left is an empty copper shell of a penny. And that was just more of the hydrochloric acid. Well, as you can see, now that most of the zinc has been dissolved from inside the penny, the gas bubbles that are forming are actually able to move the penny a bit up and down. So what before was a nice, solid, much heavier than water penny, it's getting bounced up and down by those little bubbles that are forming as they still break apart the zinc that's on the inside. But that penny is becoming much, much lighter. Because by weight, a penny is only about 2.5% copper and the rest is zinc. So once all that zinc is gone, a penny is going to weigh much, much, much less. It's just bouncing up and down. And then we will be ready to take that apart in just a couple minutes.